Hello and welcome to today's episode of Smash Up Online. This episode will feature a great matchup between my lovely little sister Becky Wolf and the ice cold Bruiser. Dumbbell girl. Are you ready for this match? Yes. Are you ready for this match? Yes. He's ready. Here is the most despicable man in wrestling online. Tonight, we will see if Becky Wolf has what it takes to come to the hardcore tour and have a chance at winning her first championship. If she beats me, she gets the opportunity, but if she doesn't, I don't want to see her face anywhere near the hardcore belt ever again. Mocking the shush. He slapped her in the face. Oh, she returned it. Oh, kick in the shoulder. Knee. Oh, he's following up again. Oh, the feet up. Landed crotch first on her feet, but she didn't strike him in the nuts. It was fine. Slap, 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 slap. Jab, knee, jab, 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 jab. All these punches flying. Oh, kick in the stomach. Oh, the knee lift. Flexing on him. Oh, kick to the chest. No, she wouldn't. Oh, Samoan drop. How did she lift him? Oh, he's taking the L. And she's flexing. She's a registered flex offender. Shushing the Bruiser. Oh, and he kicks her in the face. Huh? Oh, what counter? No, he still gut wrenched her. And another counter. And another gut wrench. Oh, she counted him. 1, 2. No. Bruiser kicks out. That was an inventive counter. He rolls up. Kicks her down. Pulls the legs out. No, he's not. Bigger. 4. Leg lock. Come on, Becky. She's turned the pressure. She reversed the pressure on him. The Bruiser's now in the trouble. He's in peril. Wait, he's on the ropes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, she lets go. She lets go. Becky is learning her in-ring prowess. Come on. Becky Wolf. Ready to capitalise, but they've both got injured legs now. Oh, the forearm rocks her and drops her. Oh! Bicycle kick. Bicycle kick. Bicycle kick. He dropped. He dropped. Bicycle kick. What's she going to follow it with? Leg drop. Wait, elbow drop, and then where's the cartwheel elbow drop? Yes, cartwheel, elbow drop. Will this be enough? 1, 2. Oh, she almost was going to the hardcore tour. What a kick! 1, backhand, 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 backhand. God, I don't know what to say. Here she comes, Becky. He's known for a flurry of strikes. But what's this move going to be? Oh no, he's got her up. Spine buster. No. Oh, people's elbow. This is over for Becky. 1. She got a 1. He didn't even get a 2 count. What we just witnessed. She's too strong for that. You heard it from the master herself. Oh, choke bomb. No, 1, 2. She gets out of the roll up. You almost stole it. Stole her opportunity. Oh, she's going for a power bomb. No, power bomb. Power bomb. 1, 2. It was hellacious. Whew. Jeez. And the Bruiser. Oh, takes one to the leg. Another one to the leg. Another one to the leg. Slap. Oh, gets slapped back. This is just a reminder of the size difference. Even though she's strong for her size, Bruiser goes too hard on the leg. Shot to the ropes. Just in time, she rolled through. But he almost snapped her ankle. Oh, and a baseball slide. She might be injured. We might have to call this match. No, he's carrying on. The Bruiser has no sympathy. He is a bastard. But no, she's trying to strike him off. She seems injured. Not again. A sharpshooter. She will not tap out to this. She's not tapping out. Try as hard as you want. You heard it from the master. Wait, she's rolled it through. She rolled out of it. Kicks him off. What's she going to follow up with? She ducks him. He falls back. Drop kick. Oh, he kicks him. She kicks him up the backside. There's a kick there. She's limping on that ankle. Slap. Backhand. Repeated. Flurry. Knee. Cartwheel. Elbow. What's she going to follow up with? She's all over him. That's a mini splash. 1, 2. There was no real fear of that putting the Bruiser away. Come on, Becky Wolf. Wait, no, he wouldn't. 1, 2. He was robbed her of going to the hardcore tour. I'd like to say now, the Bruiser will be going to the hardcore tour either way. No, no, no. Oh, pedigree. 1, 2, and she gets out just about. Yes, Becky. Come to the outside. You got this. Yes. Right. Now what, she says. She's the strongest little girl in wrestling history. Wait, no. What's she going for? No! Stunner! Avalanche stunner! Flexing on him. You get in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Will he make it? 6. He's not going to make it. 7. Becky's winning. 8, 9, 10. Becky's going to the hardcore tour. She might be the next hardcore champion. Flexing on him. He's taking the L. And she is excited. Thank you for tuning into this wonderful episode of Smash Up Online.